The US SEC's legal battle with Ripple has been one of the most closely watched in the crypto world, and it seems that after years of uncertainty, a major turning point has arrived. Ripple's CEO has reached a settlement with the SEC, and this victory could potentially send XRP's value skyrocketing to an incredible $8,300. This settlement is more than just a simple agreement. It signals a massive shift for both Ripple and the entire cryptocurrency market. For those who have been following XRP's ups and downs, this is the moment that could change everything. The settlement clears up the legal uncertainties that have clouded XRP's future and opens up new possibilities for the cryptocurrency to thrive. Experts and investors are now predicting that XRP's price could surge to unimaginable heights, and the excitement surrounding this development is palpable. The road to this settlement has been long and difficult. For years, the SEC claimed that XRP should be classified as a security, meaning Ripple would have to comply with a whole new set of regulations. This legal challenge put enormous pressure on Ripple, causing its stock to drop and its market position to be questioned. Many people feared that if the SEC had won, it would set a dangerous precedent for other cryptocurrencies as well. But now, with this settlement in place, the future looks much brighter. The legal cloud hanging over XRP is finally lifted, and the market is responding with a surge of optimism. With Ripple's CEO able to close this chapter with the SEC, there is a renewed sense of confidence in XRP's ability to succeed. As the news spreads, XRP's value is expected to rise, and the $8,300 price prediction doesn't seem as far-fetched as it once did. This legal victory for Ripple is about more than just one company. It's a huge win for the entire cryptocurrency industry. The settlement shows that the regulatory challenges facing digital assets can be overcome, and it may inspire more investors to consider XRP as a safe and reliable investment. As the legal uncertainty surrounding XRP fades, Ripple is now in a prime position to grow its influence in the world of cross-border payments. The $8,300 price target reflects the belief that XRP will not only recover but thrive, with more institutions adopting it as a preferred option for transferring money across borders. With this settlement, Ripple has not only secured its place in the market but has also set the stage for a new chapter in the evolution of digital currencies. For over 3 years, Ripple has been locked in a fierce legal battle with the US SEC over whether XRP is a security. This case has been one of the most closely watched in the crypto world because the outcome could set a major precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, accusing the company of raising over $1.3 billion through the sale of XRP, which they argued was an unregistered security offering. According to the SEC, since XRP was classified as a security, Ripple would be subject to the same regulatory rules that govern traditional securities, including registration requirements and investor protections. For Ripple, this lawsuit was not just about defending the status of XRP, it was a matter of survival. The legal uncertainty caused by the SEC's actions had a huge impact on the company. As the case dragged on, many exchanges delisted XRP, and financial institutions became hesitant to engage with Ripple's blockchain technology. This created a lot of challenges for the company's business operations, and the value of XRP also took a hit. The legal battle brought Ripple to the brink, with the future of the company and its digital asset in jeopardy. The case's outcome was more than just a legal matter, it had the potential to reshape the entire cryptocurrency market. While the SEC's lawsuit seemed like a major obstacle, Ripple didn't back down. The company's legal team fought hard, arguing that XRP should not be considered a security because it wasn't an investment contract and that it operated more like a digital currency. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse repeatedly stated that the company was being unfairly targeted and that the SEC's actions were harmful to the broader crypto industry. For Ripple, this was not just about winning the case, it was about defending the very principles of decentralization and innovation in the cryptocurrency space. And while the legal battle seemed endless, Ripple remained confident that the truth would ultimately prevail. Now, with the recent settlement in place, it's clear that Ripple's determination has paid off. The legal cloud that hovered over XRP for so long has been lifted, and the path forward for both Ripple and its digital asset looks more promising than ever. The road to the settlement between Ripple and the SEC has been full of twists and turns, with several key developments that helped shape the outcome. For months there was uncertainty about how the case would play out, with both parties exchanging legal blows and making public statements. However, behind the scenes, negotiations were taking place, and it was becoming clear that a resolution might be within reach. One of the most significant turning points occurred when Ripple won a series of important rulings in the court. The judge in charge of the case ruled that some of Ripple's transactions involving XRP were not subject to the SEC's jurisdiction, which was a crucial win for Ripple. This ruling helped build momentum for a potential settlement, signaling that the legal tide might be turning in Ripple's favor. In addition to the legal victories, public opinion was also starting to shift in Ripple's favor. The broader cryptocurrency community, along with many legal experts, began to criticize the SEC's approach, arguing that the lawsuit was an overreach and could harm the innovation that cryptocurrencies represent. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and its legal team worked tirelessly to push back against the SEC's claims, arguing that XRP functioned as a digital currency and not a security. The case highlighted the need for clearer regulations around digital assets, and Ripple's fight became a symbol for the broader industry's struggle to gain regulatory clarity. These factors, along with growing public support for Ripple, put increasing pressure on the SEC to reconsider its stance. By early 2025, talks of a potential settlement started to gain traction. Both sides were reportedly in discussions behind closed doors, working to find common ground that would bring an end to the long-standing legal battle. Many analysts believed that a settlement was the most likely outcome, as the SEC had been facing increasing criticism for its handling of the case, and Ripple had made significant progress in defending its position. It was clear that both Ripple and the SEC were interested in putting this chapter behind them, with the realization that continuing the lawsuit could lead to even more uncertainty for the entire crypto industry. Finally, in a move that surprised many, Ripple and the SEC reached an agreement that would put an end to the lawsuit. This settlement not only resolved the immediate legal conflict but also provided Ripple with a clearer path forward, allowing the company to focus on its growth and the future of XRP without the constant threat of legal challenges. With the settlement in place, the cryptocurrency market is now reacting to the news, and XRP's future looks brighter than ever. With the settlement now in place, the immediate question on everyone's mind is, how will this affect XRP's future? The answer to that is incredibly promising. The legal uncertainty that has been hanging over XRP for the past few years has now been lifted, and this has already begun to spark positive reactions from the market. Investors who were once wary of holding XRP due to the risk of further regulatory issues are now feeling much more confident. This newfound certainty around XRP's legal standing is expected to play a crucial role in driving up demand, and many analysts are predicting a significant surge in the price of XRP. In fact, some experts believe that XRP could reach as high as $8,300 in the near future, a price level that many thought was unreachable just a few months ago. The potential for XRP to hit such a high price is not just based on speculation, it's rooted in a combination of factors that have now aligned in Ripple's favor. First, with the SEC lawsuit settled, Ripple can now focus on its core mission, expanding its blockchain technology for cross-border payments. This is where Ripple has always seen its biggest potential. XRP is already used by financial institutions worldwide to facilitate